Fixed rate loans, if you don't like change. Fixed rate loans are a good idea if you like the notion of paying the same amount every month, usually for 30 years, and are averse to risk. You will not be surprised by a payment change for the life of the loan, and this can be a very attractive feature for many homeowners. Two types of fixed rate loans. The vast majority of fixed rate loans amortize over 30 years, with the bulk of your early payments going toward paying interest. Later in the life of the loan, more of your payment is directed towards the principal. As the interest portion goes down, the principal portion goes up, while the total payment of principal and interest remains the same for the life of the loan. Another type of fixed rate loan is a 15-year note. They work the same way as a 30, but payments are higher as the term of the loan is much shorter. An advantage of the 15-year mortgage is that it enables you to pay for your house in a shorter period of time, and you incur less interest costs. Is there a downside to fixed rate loans? As a rule, adjustable rate loans start with a lower rate of interest than fixed rate mortgage loans. The thought of changing their mortgage can be a huge disincentive to some homeowners to make a change even when they could benefit from lower interest rates. So if you're a proponent of a low-risk strategy, fixed rate mortgages are just right for you. So when should you change your mortgage? There are times when it may make sense to abandon the relative comfort of the fixed rate loan you're used to in order to save money in the long run. Fixed rate mortgage loans, though, are a stress-free choice for many homeowners. But they aren't the only choice. Your goal in the long run should be to keep as much of your hard-earned money in your pocket as you possibly can. Thank you very much.
This was Mike from Cornerstone Mortgage. Thank you for tuning in. This is Maria Rosado with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Metro Brokers, your Southside Realtor. Tune in for next time, and we'll talk soon. Bye.
How long was it?